Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR or ZIP archives on your TCL 30 using an app called RAR. So in order to do that, let's locate the files that we want to unpack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. From here you can find the pictures.rar, and in order to unpack it, we'll need to press on it. I will need to enter the password, and if you have to as well, you'll need to know it, enter it and press OK. Now select the files that you want to unpack, or if you want to unpack entire file, don't select anything. Now press on this arrow pointing up button and you'll be able to unpack it. Change its settings, like a destination when it's gonna go. So let's pick the movies. Press OK. Next thing is to change ask before overwrite, overwrite without prom, or skip existing files after and when it's unpacking. You can keep broken files or do not extract paths or display extracted files. After doing everything, press OK in order to unpack the files. Now let's move to the movies, and you can see two pictures right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.